Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain American Mahjong for beginners. The goal is to be the first player to form a specific hand and declare Mahjong. You will play with 152 unique tiles, a rack to hold your tiles, a pair of dice, and a current year's National Mahjong League card. Typically, 4 players participate, each starting with 13 tiles. It's a game of strategy, observation, and a little bit of luck. American Mahjong uses a variety of tiles. You'll find 3 suits: bamboos, characters, and dots, each numbered 1 through 9. Beyond these, there are special tiles such as red, green, and white dragons, north, south, east, and west winds, 8 flower tiles, and 8 joker tiles. Your objective is to combine these tiles into specific patterns listed on the official Mahjong card, which changes annually. The game begins with each of the 4 players receiving 13 tiles. The dealer, however, gets 14 tiles. Next comes the Charleston, a unique and crucial part of American Mahjong. This involves 3 mandatory passes of 3 tiles each, first to the right, then across, and finally to the left. There are also 2 optional passes. This process allows players to exchange unwanted tiles, significantly improving their starting hands. After the Charleston, gameplay proceeds with players drawing 1 tile from the wall and then discarding one. If a discarded tile completes a pung, 3 identical tiles, kong, 4 identical tiles, or chow, 3 consecutive tiles in the same suit, though chows are limited in American Mahjong, another player can call it. The first player to assemble a complete hand according to the card and declare Mahjong wins the round.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.